Ever thought of transforming a spare room, basement, or loft into a modern and useful space? Converting a wasted, unused area of your home can only add value to your property. A bathroom or shower room may be the answer. With a Uniflow Maciator, you can simply connect all of your sanitary waste into one Uniflow unit, including the toilet. The Uniflow will take care of all of the wastewater by macerating the contents and evacuating the slurry through a small bore pipe system. This discharge pipe can be simply installed using standard 32 or 22 mm waste pipe. The Uniflow macerator pump fits neatly behind any standard toilet. Fully automatic, it operates when the toilet is flushed or the shower or basin is used. By purchasing a Uniflow macerator, you will be getting a great quality product at the best possible price. We have a dedicated, friendly team ready to offer technical advice and help with your installation. We're only one click away. www.uniflowproducts.co.uk